How to fix Google Maps on Android. Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to fix this on your Android. Just watch this video till the end. Now you have to go directly in Open App settings of your phone. After this, what you should do, you have to search here for apps option. As you see apps option here, now you have to search for maps. Open maps when you found it, and then what's next, go to storage option. Here you can go now to clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now what's next, you have to go and update your maps on Google Play Store, and after this you have to restart your phone. And after this, guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.